Hi everyone! After all these videos I created to know the difference between the Oriental dancing and belly dancing, today I will talk with you about the Oriental belly dancing and what had happened when we combined them together. Oriental belly dance, also known as Middle Eastern or Arabic dance, is a traditional dance form that originated in the Middle East and North Africa. It is characterized by fluid undulating movements of the hips, torso, and arms, and often incorporates shamiz isolation and dramatic expressions. Oriental belly dance is typically performed in solo or group settings and is often uh, combined by live or recorded music, featuring traditional instruments such as the oud, qanun, and tabla. In recent years, Oriental belly dance has gained popularity around the world and has evolved into various sub-styles, including tribal fusion and Egyptian cabaret. Oriental belly dance has long and rich history, with roots tracing back to ancient fertility dances performed in the Middle East and North Africa. Over time, the dance evolved and incorporated elements from various cultures, including Ottoman, Persian, and Egyptian. Today, Oriental belly dance is often associated with Egyptian cabaret style, with features intricate hip and torso movements, fluid arm gestures, and expressive facial expressions. In addition to cabaret style, there are several other substyles of Oriental belly dance, including tribal fusion, which combines traditional belly dance movements with influences from other dance styles such as hip hop, jazz, and flamenco. There is also the Baladi style, which is known for its grounded, earthly movements and improvisational nature. Oriental belly dance is fascinating and captivating dance style that continues to evolve and inspire dancers and audiences alike. In addition to the various sub-styles of Oriental belly dance that I mentioned earlier, there are also many different props that can be used in performances. Some of the most common props include veils, fingered cymbals, also known as sills, and swords and fans. Veils are often used to add flowing and ethereal quality to the dance, while finger cymbals are used to add a percussive element and accentuate the rhythms of the music. Swords are typically used in more dramatic and theatrical performances, and fans can be used to create dramatic visual effects and add an element of mastery to the dance. Oriental belly dance is also often performed by women, but there are also male dancers who practice this art form. Male belly dancers are sometimes referred to as Raqs dancers, which translates to Oriental dance in Arabic. In terms of costume, Oriental belly dance outfits are typically adorned with sequins, beads, and other embellishments, and may include a full skirt or harem pants, a bra or halter top, and hip scarf or belt with dangling coins or beads. The costumes are often colorful and vibrant and can be customized to fit the dancer's personal style and performance. Overall, Oriental belly dance is a beautiful and unique art form that has rich history and culture behind it. Whether you are a performer or simply an admirer, there is always something new to learn and appreciate about this captivating dance style. One interesting aspect of this dance form is the music that accompanies it. Traditional Middle Eastern music features complex rhythms and melodies that are often characterized by the use of quarter tones, which are tones that fill between the notes of the Western musical scale. This gives the music a unique and acoustic sound that is perfectly suited the Oriental belly dance. In addition to traditional Middle Eastern music, modern Oriental belly dance performances may also incorporate Western styles of music, such as pop, hip hop, and electronic dance music. This fusion of different styles and cultures is a hallmark of tribal fusion belly dance, which has become increasingly popular in recent years. One aspect that is worth mentioning is the role of community and mentorship in this dance form. Many Oriental belly dance communities are tight-knit and supportive, and dancers often learn from more experienced dancers through workshops, classes, or private lessons. Another important aspect of Oriental belly dance is its ability to empower and celebrate women. Historically, belly dance was often performed by women in private social settings, and it allowed them to express themselves and connect with other women in a private or non-judgmental environment. Today, Oriental belly dance continues to provide an empowering and inclusive space for women of all ages, shapes, and backgrounds to come together and celebrate their bodies and their creativity. How can dancer incorporate different moves into a single performance? Number one, choose a variety of moves. Start by selecting a variety of movements that are well suited to the music you will be dancing to. For example, you may include slow, fluid movements for a lyrical section of music and faster, more percussive movements for a more upbeat section of music. Number two, use transition. What does it mean? Use transitional movements to smooth transition from one move to the next. For example, you may use a hip circle to transition from hip drop to a figure eight. Number three, vary the intensity. Vary the intensity for your movements through the performance. For example, you may start with slower, more controlled movements and gradually build up faster, more energetic movements. Number four, mix and match. Combine different movements together to create new combination. For example, you may combine a hip drop with shimmy to create a hip shimmy. Number five, emphasize musical accents. Use your movements to emphasize the musical accents in the music. For example, you may use a sharp hip accent to accentuate a percussive beat in the music. By incorporating a variety of movements into a single performance, a dancer can create a dynamic and engaging performance through keeps the audience's attention from start to finish. This was my video for today, which I hope you like it, and of course, as usual, I will be waiting for your questions or your comments. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.